Okay, now we have everything unboxed and laid out. The parts are all laid out, so we can get this thing put together nice and neat. One of the things that attracted me to this bike tree setup by SureTrack was the adjustability of the bike hangers. So these bike hangers that hang from the frame can be adjusted a couple different directions here, so you can fit all different types of bikes. The geometry is different on these bikes, and you can't always have a spot here and here to hang bikes, like my daughter's little mini whatchamacallit and this beach cruiser. So everything's a little different and they all don't hang the same. So this setup allows you to adjust the angle to work with however your bike is set up. So I've got another video coming. We're going to set this thing up and let me know what you think.